Hi skincare lovers, in today's video I'll be reviewing the new Dr. Rashel facial wash. I'll be sharing the 7 varieties of Dr. Rashel face wash. I'll be sharing which is suitable for your skin type, your skin tone, your skin concern, the benefit you're going to get when you incorporate Dr. Rashel facial wash in your skincare routine, and we'll also be rating this product. And of course I will be sharing with you how to use this product for effective results and the best time to use this product. So guys, you have a whole lot to learn in today's video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Elo, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back to watch yet another video from me. If today is your first time of seeing my beautiful face, I would love you to join my channel by clicking on the red subscribe button. Also remember to turn on your notification bell. Those will automatically get you notified once I drop a new content. And if you end up enjoying today's video, do not forget to like, share, because in here we do not get skip information, nada. So yes, if you're hearing it for the very first time, Dr. Rashel face wash, or the new face wash, comes in 7 varieties, and I'll be introducing you all to the 7 varieties, and I'll also share which is perfect for your skin tone and your skin type and your skin concern. Now let me introduce you to the 7 varieties of Dr. Rashel face wash. Here I have the Dr. Rashel Niacinamide Face Wash. We have the Dr. Rashel Vitamin C Brightening Face Wash. We have the Dr. Rashel 24 Karat Gold Face Wash. We have the Dr. Rashel Charcoal Amplifying Face Wash. We have the Dr. Rashel Aloe Vera Face Wash. We have also the Dr. Rashel Salicylic Acid and Renewal Face Wash. And the last, we have the Rashel Hyaluronic Face Wash. Imagine walking into cosmetic stores and you have 7 of Dr. Rashel face wash staring at your face, and you don't even know which one to pick, because which one is going to be suitable for your skin type, your skin tone, and your skin concern. So I'm going to share those so you will not make mistake. When I got there, I had 7 varieties and they're all looking attractive, but I know what I want. That was why I picked this niacinamide face wash. And let me tell you about the texture. The texture of this, I would say the texture is one of the most fluffy, creamy face wash I've ever used. This is so gentle, calming, and soothing on the face. This one is actually very white, and when you apply it, you know the feeling when you apply mineral sunscreen. It feels like you applied mineral sunscreen. It's very fluffy, creamy, and thick. A little goes a long way. You just have to wet your palms and pour a little on your hand, on your palms, and lather it and apply it on your face. This comes in a white, and the aloe vera is kind of greenish. The charcoal purifying face wash is kind of black. Then we have the vitamin C that is kind of orange. We have the salicylic acid, so it doesn't have to be the same color as the niacinamide. It have different range, but the texture are all the same. So I want to talk about the fragrance. The fragrance of this is amazing, and I like the fact that the fragrance is minimal, so this will actually not upset someone that doesn't like fragrance or someone that enjoys using fragrance in their skincare routine. And the prices are all the same. I got this product for 3,500 naira each, or 3,850. It can be above that. That's actually how much I got this, and they all comes in 100 ml. But trust me sis, when I say little goes a long way, it actually goes a long way. So sis, I'm going to be reviewing this product intensively. I'm going to start with this one in my hands, and I'm going to answer the most common question I always get. Hello, does it brighten the skin? Which is for my skin type? Which is for my skin tone? How long am I going to use this to see results? I'll be answering all that. The first Dr. Rashel face wash I'll be reviewing in today's video is the Dr. Rashel Niacinamide face wash, and I'm recommending this for my girlies that have dark spots, that want to minimize fine lines, wrinkle, even out their skin tone, and shrink their pores and strengthen their skin barrier for their healthy, youthful, glowing skin. You know, the active ingredients used in this formulation is niacinamide. Niacinamide is also known as vitamin B3, which works, to neutralize oil, control the oil production on your skin, minimize fine lines, wrinkle, and uneven skin tone for that radiant, healthy, glowing, beautiful skin. And that was the reason why I got this, because all of a sudden, the oil production of my skin, I don't know how I moved from having dry skin to normal skin and now oily skin. So I just wanted something that will get rid of dirt and control the oil production on my skin, and also even have my skin tone for that radiant, glowing skin. And that's what I got it. Also, Niacinamide has exfoliating benefits. It has exfoliating benefits that will help to soften your skin, smoothen your skin while respecting your skin barrier. The price I got this is for 3,500, and if you're wondering, hello, if I get this, when can I start seeing results or change in my skin tone? Honestly, skin varies and you will not compare my progress with yours. Depending on how bad your skin tone is will depend how long you're going to see results. Well, for me, I got my results in 7 days. Within 7 days, I was able to see change, and trust me sis, my night routine these days is very minimal. I use this face wash and sometimes I incorporate beauty formula vitamin C. This particular one that has salicylic acid that is also good for someone with oily skin, and I use my face fats ceramide moisturizer, and that is how basic my nighttime routine is. And I was able to achieve a glowing skin, beautiful, healthy, even tone skin within 7 days. The best time to use this product is actually at nighttime. Incorporate this at nighttime in your skincare routine, because I believe if you're fighting on even tone pigmentation and you use this during the daytime, you're also exposing your skin to environmental damage like pollution and sun sensitivity, causing rebound pigmentation, whereby your pigmentation comes back worse. The color of this is actually white, and I love that it's very gentle, fluffy, creamy, and soothing on the skin. And yes, I recommend this, and as someone that have used this, I'm scoring this 8/10. The next one, and which happens to be my second most favorite, and I was contemplating if I should get it or this one, is actually the Dr. Rashel Brightening Vitamin C. I'm a vitamin C type of girl because one, vitamin C is suitable for all skin type, all skin tone, and all skin concerns. So even if you're dark skin and you're wondering, hello, which one can I go for? My Dr. Rashel Niacinamide Face Wash is also good for someone with dark skin. Dr. Rashel Brightening Vitamin C is also good for all skin type, all skin tones. If you're dark skin, caramel skin, fair skin, this can actually work pretty well for you. So yes, that was my second most favorite, and I was contemplating, should I get this niacinamide or Dr. Rashel Brightening Vitamin C? And for the fact that I've used a whole lot of vitamin C face wash, I decided to give niacinamide a try. So yes, if I'm done with this, I'm definitely getting the Dr. Rashel vitamin C face wash. So let's talk about the vitamin C face wash. So this vitamin C face wash, I'm recommending it for people that wants to brighten their skin complexion. In addition, it's going to fix fine lines, wrinkle, and improve the radiance of your skin. If you have dull skin, this is the best face wash you should go for. And you know, the benefits of incorporating this Dr. Rashel face wash in your skincare routine is that it's going to help to brighten your skin tone. It has anti-aging benefits, which means it's going to work on fine lines, wrinkle, and give you that radiant glowing skin. And if you're someone that struggles with dull skin, pigmentation on your skin, and you're looking for an affordable face wash, trust me sis, when I would tell you to get this affordable face wash, is going to do your skin a whole lot of good. It comes in an orange kind of color, fluffy, creamy, and yes, very suitable for all skin tone and all skin type. In addition, vitamin C is an antioxidant. That means it is suitable for daytime use and nighttime use. But you want to hear my advice? Says use it during the nighttime. It is more beneficial to use this during the nighttime. Then the third one I'll be talking about in today's video is the Dr. Rashel Salicylic Acid Skin Renewal Face Wash. I'm recommending this gentle facial cleanser for someone that has oily skin that wants, a face wash that can help to minimize oil production on their skin, shrink their pores, refresh and calm their skin for that smooth, radiant, flawless skin that is free from acne. Then sis, I'm recommending this for you. We know salicylic acid is from a family of BHA, which is beta hydroxy acid, the common one, which is salicylic acid, and this is actually very and super beneficial for someone that struggles with hyperpigmentation and acne on their skin. Emphasis on acne. This is very suitable for someone with oily skin, but if you have dry skin, please stay away from this face wash because it might actually dry you out. So this is recommended strictly for nighttime use. It will help to control access all your skin and also get rid of debris, hyperpigmentation without drying your skin or causing redness on your skin. Then the fourth one, which happens to be my third most favorite, is actually the Dr. Rashel Hyaluronic Acid face wash. I'm recommending this facial wash for someone that wants to deeply hydrate and smoothen their skin tone. The benefit of incorporating Dr. Rashel Hyaluronic Face Wash is that it will help to improve the texture of your skin tone, helps to nourish your skin for that glowing, radiant, hydrated skin, and definitely it has anti-aging benefits which will help to minimize fine lines, wrinkle, and also heal your wound. I recommend this for someone that has dry skin. I recommend this for someone that wants an affordable anti-aging face wash to use. This is the very one you should get. Or someone that wants a day-to-day face wash they can use in the morning or the night time. This is the best face wash to use. Or if you have sensitive skin and nothing works for you, or you get easily irritated by most of the face wash, this is the best face wash you should go for. It has a whole lot of benefits, and within 4 days you will notice that glowing, radiant, flawless skin that will have everyone, of course, complimenting your skin tone. And if you're someone that is currently using or someone that wants to purchase, let me say, brightening, the Dr. Rashel brightening vitamin C, or you want to purchase the niacinamide I talked about, or you're currently using Dr. Rashel Salicylic Acid, trust me when I tell you to incorporate Dr. Rashel Hyaluronic Acid in your skincare routine, because sis, you definitely find it super beneficial. The next one is actually the Dr. Rashel 2K aging face wash, emphasis on aging. So I'm recommending this for people in their 30s, 40s, 50s upwards that want a very good and effective face wash that would specifically target their fine lines, wrinkle on their skin, and also give them that youthful radiant skin that will of course minimize uneven skin tone and age spots on their skin. This is the very one I'm recommending. This actually comes in a gold-like. Its key ingredients, which is gold, give you that radiant and anti-aging effect because it can effectively work on even skin tone, fine lines, wrinkle, and promote a youthful, glowing skin. So yes, you can incorporate this in your skincare routine, and yes, you can use this twice a day. You can use it in your morning time and you can use it at night time. And yes, within let me say 2 to 3 weeks, you will see an improved reduction on your skin tone. So the next is the Dr. Rashel Black Charcoal Purifying Face Wash. Well, I'm recommending this for someone that wants to detoxify their skin, unclog pores and get rid of acne on their skin. Trust me when I say that this charcoal kick acne out, and yes, it is very, very gentle on the skin. So this is actually more beneficial for someone with dark skin, and it can be used twice a day. And I guess within 7 to 14 days, you must have seen changes in your skin tone. The last and definitely not the least on today's video, it is the Aloe Vera Face Wash. This is a pore refined face wash, and I'm recommending this for someone that suffers from severe acne, redness, and someone that has sensitive acne prone skin. This will actually help to gently get rid of excess oil on your skin, and also is an anti-acne that will help to reveal that vibrant glowing skin. And if you're someone that also have sunburn on your skin, or your skin is really, really very sensitive to sun, I'm definitely recommending this Aloe Vera face wash pore refine in your skincare routine. This is actually very suitable for someone with dry skin, and also someone with oily skin can also find this super beneficial in their skincare routine, because it also has gentle exfoliating benefit. And trust me when I say you can use this 2 times in a day, in the morning time or the night time. But if you want to use this as a treatment face wash, let's say you have sunburn on your skin, or you have excess oil on your skin, or you just want a facial wash that you can use to prevent your acne from coming back, this is the best facial wash you will use. Sis, have you heard about this product? Do you know someone that is currently using this product? How effective do you think this product is? Let me know your thoughts on the comment section. And if you have any question for me, kindly drop it down there. I'll be down there reading all your comments and answering all your questions. Thank you guys so much. So we see you next time. Don't forget to drink your water, eat your fruits and vegetable, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.